Hey guys, this is Seth Turin, and today's tutorial is going to be real quick. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your DeFi wallet in UBot Studio. Here's what our bot will look like by the end. We just have our UI and main browser set up, config DeFi wallet, and a log command just to make sure that everything's working. If I run this, then it will log our USDC balance, which is $1. Alright, let's build this from scratch. To save time, I'm going to paste in my UI commands. This code will be pasted on the blog so that you can follow along. Next up, we're going to go to DeFi and drag over config DeFi wallet. Alright, now we need the private key to our DeFi wallet. And for this, I recommend MetaMask. You can find MetaMask at metamask.io. Just click download and go through the process and install. Once you have that going, it should give you the icon up here of the little fox. So let's click that. If you've never used MetaMask before, then you're going to need to get some crypto into your wallet to be able to use it. I'll show you how to do that in another tutorial. For now, let's just get the information we need. So I'm going to come click these three dots right here. I'm going to say account details, and I'm going to click this export private key. Once I'm here, it's going to ask for my MetaMask password. And if I type that in, it'll show me my private key, and I'm going to copy that over. Once I have my private key, I'll jump back over to UBot, and I'll paste it into the private key field. Click OK, and that's it. That's all I need to do to set up my DeFi wallet. And now to prove to ourselves that it works, we'll add a log command. In here, we'll say USDC balance, and we'll drag over get token balance. Here, I want to look at our Avalanche balance. The token ID will be USDC. So now let's click OK and give this a run. Alright, and everything works exactly how I want. Hope this was useful for you guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.